Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Waleed Visuals Wala, and I hope you are fine and doing well. So today is the video number one of the Canva course, and I will discuss the practical or theory regarding the Canva tool. So Canva is the graphic design tool where you can design anything related to the graphic design. And the first thing which I want to share is that either you first do theory, graphic design theory, or the practical. I mean, either you do color theory or graphic design theory first, or you should try to learn the graphic design tool first. So I think uh, you should straight go to the Canva and try to use the Canva because it's a very friendly tool. So I think before you learning this course, you should go to the Canva and spend time on Canva tool. And from this you will learn a lot because this by doing or by trying to learn the Canva through your uh, practice, it will enhance your learning because it is an active learning. Okay. uh, because when you learning through your videos, this is like a passive source of learning, and you will I think you will forget major part of their learning through the videos. From my perspective, you should go to the Canva, spend time on the Canva daily, and use and try the tools as maximum as you can. And where you feel this thing I don't know, or there is a problem in the Canva tool which you don't understand, go to the Google or go to the YouTube and search about the particular problem, and then the videos will pop up, and you will learn through the video and then apply this knowledge thing, and hope so. This is a one method and to learning the Canva tool. Okay. And the second method is you should learn the theory first, and then you should go to the practical as well. So I think you should go to the first to the tool, spend time daily and try to use because it's a very friendly tool. And then after spending a lot of time, then you may go to the any other courses available on the YouTube, and as well as my course will be now uploading as, because this is a video one, and I think it takes a lot of time. I think weekly or maybe more time will taken to complete my one video of the particular course. It is, I think it will be a maximum depth in it. I will put it in as I can. Okay. So meanwhile I will uploading these videos. You can also learn from any other YouTubers. So there's a lot of knowledge available on YouTube. And if you are trying to learning this graphic design tool for your personal things, or your business or whatever, then it's a good way. If you are doing as freelancing, so I think, from my experience, you should go first learn the marketing, branding, and all of the things, all of the knowledge that bring clients to you, that brings clients to your pocket. Okay. So the all the knowledge should be learned first. Because the majority, I think the majority of the freelancer doing the problem first, making the problem that they learn the skill first, and then maybe they learn the marketing or branding or personal branding of their stuff, or they learn how to get clients after that knowledge skill. This may be right, but they forget about this whole knowledge, the marketing knowledge, the sales knowledge. Okay. So they may forget that this knowledge is not enough important for them because they learn the skill, and the skill will get the clients, but this is not the right case, because you not only rely on the word of mouth clients. Okay. So that I think, from my experience, you should learn the marketing, personal branding, and you go to the many channels. Like, for example, please do the future YouTube channel, and you simply go to the YouTube and search personal branding, how to get clients. So you should learn the first the all the strategy, the possible strategies to get clients. Okay, when you because every skill needs client. Okay, so this is, I think this is this skill is apply to the all the skill set in the freelancing industry. So that's the important to the thing is that how to get clients. Okay, after you will learn the marketing or sales thing of the freelancing or how to get clients, then you will learn the skill first. Okay, then after that you will learn any skills which you are in more interested. So this Canva tool can you use as freelancing or your personal stuff. A lot of usage of these tools. And yes, I and now I share you the two methods. First, you will learn through the passive source of learning and the active source of learning. Okay, active source of learning is through by doing actually using the tools. And whenever you feel a problem or any problem in using the tools, or you don't know what about the particular stuff, go to the YouTube and session, and then this is the active source of learning. Or otherwise you will go to the YouTube or search the crash course of Canva. Then you learn this, I think, from 1 to 2 hours about the Canva, the main things or the particular important things regarding the Canva tool. Okay, so this is the one thing. And so yeah, this is the method. And I will upload, I think maybe I will upload this course has much depth as I can, because by doing this I can also create my personal branding as well as I think there is a graph about the learning pyramid where there's the mentions that by teaching someone you learn the most. Okay, that's why if you know one word, if one sentence or anything, please share to anybody, please share to the peoples. Okay, because we need a lot of knowledge to be shared. Okay, so this is the, and by doing, and you will there's a lot of benefits about sharing the things which you have. And knowledge is one of the things which when you share will increases. Okay, there's a lot of benefits of sharing the knowledge to others. Okay, so this is the from my side. And in this video I explain the practical or theory in regarding the Canva or any tool. Or maybe you can use in any other tool as well. And I also explains the my course and videos which I So these are the few things regarding that. I hope so. You will like the video and tell me or comment in the sections about any suggestions you need regarding this course. And this course, I think make in mind that I will inshallah create the this course as much as videos as I can. Probably, I think I will hit 100 videos. If not, then maybe less. So I inshallah cover each and every part of the Canva tool. So that's why because I want to create my personal branding as well. And also the benefits of teaching is more is very uh, important in regarding. So my and the last thing which is I want to mention that my English language is not my primary language, so that I may be feel some stuck in the language as well, in barrier or in some selection of words or my vocabulary or what are the things. But I try to speak much as I can so that my English speaking power will be increased also. So this is the video of the today, and thanks a lot. I love you. Take care.